Good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. And I got the ugly. For me, the plumber. I got the ugly. For me, the plumber. I put a toilet in my own house. Put it on the channel. I missed a couple things. A couple guys called me out on it, and they were absolutely right. Being complacent, being unfocused can kill your plumbing game, and if not, kill your insurance policy. Stay tuned and check it out. We'll see you inside. Here's my job I did yesterday on a Sunday. Alright, so I went and looked up the great advice from Brian Buffon on the tank bolts. Brian, you were absolutely correct. I definitely had a foobar and I missed the tank bolts here. Should be double bolted, no doubt. I even checked my other toilet and I did do it. So all you plumbers out there, especially you apprentices, don't be complacent and be unfocused like I was with everything going on. My mind was drifting, I'm sure, and I missed the tank bolts in my own house. And luckily, I did spot a little bit of water last night after I read the conversation on a Monday night. I'm going to fix this. Okay? Just goes to show you, you got to be on your A game constantly, because if this was some customer's house that the water leaked through and say it got through the floor, or it was a house that we didn't go back to for a week, you can see the damage that you can cause from a stupid tank bolt leak. Now, it's very just damp. It's not really dripping, but I put the rag down here last night, and here are the tank bolts that I did not install. I had to pick them out of the trash. And on another recommendation, Hector Tomeo, am I saying that correctly? I hope I am. Recommended the Milwaukee cordless vacuum to do the tank. So I'm going to do that today. So stay tuned and we'll get her done. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take the tank off and do my job correctly. On a Monday night under quarantine. I've never used this for a wetback, so my curiosity is this: do you got to take the filter out? I'm going to say that's a yes, because there's no way that you can leave this filter in the water. Blower. First time. Thank you, Hector. Worked like a charm. It's the little things, you know? The little things that make you happy. I'm going to dump it out before I put the filter back in, of course. So I'm going to do that twice. Now, this off. Now you know I can, oh yeah, pretty much power that joker right off of there. Right. A little bit of water here, folks. Yeah, that was a big mistake. Guess what? I was talking about Chucky forgetting the rubber grommets. I forgot the bolts. See? You can never point the finger because they're always 3 pointing back at you. So here's what should have happened yesterday. And of course, I didn't read the instructions. Of course, I didn't read the instructions. Why would I do that? I didn't have Miss Marcy here show me the way. It's been a bad weekend. Filter, now this. But we did have a good day plumbing today. Couldn't film, but we got it done. Me and CB2. It was a very good day, folks. It's coming. CB2 is coming right along. And of course, they get a little extra vacation. Oh yeah. A little bit of that. And I know John Krim, he loves when I use my pliers. John, I could use my big screwdriver. Let's do this. Here it is. Look at this bad boy. I love this thing. Let me act like a pro. Oh yeah, that's much better. And perfect. All right. Now nothing can leak. This time, what I'm going to do, I didn't do this yesterday. Let me get the dust off the wall. I didn't see that yesterday. Miss Marcy would not appreciate that. There it is. Grommets are in place. Don't drop them down the toilet. Here we go, folks. Now, I'm going to put this in place now. How was everybody's Monday? This will be coming out Friday. And then you can just actually snug these up and not have to worry about a leak now. And I got to thank my man Brian Buffoni. I think I said that right, I'm not sure. Nice and tight. Nice and square. And boom. And boom. And that's it. Hook the supply back up. Who doesn't like doing a callback on their own house? You gotta love it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
course, don't forget your packing nut. Just a little. Double check it.
Flush valve.
Alright, everything's nice and dry.
Throttle bottle. He mentioned this. This is actually nice and tight. So, there goes another satisfied customer on a callback. Alright guys, learn your lessons. I just learned mine. Have a good night.